Global warming is a major issue that the world is currently facing. There are many frightening effects on animals, agriculture, and human population. The cause is mostly from the human race. The expansion of greenhouse effect has had a profound impact on the current global warming trend. The greenhouse effect is the warming of the Earth's surface and lower atmosphere due to the presence of certain gases. The greenhouse gases include water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. Greenhouse gases act as a blanket, preventing the heat reflected by the Earth's surface from escaping directly into space. By slowing the release of cooling radiation, these gases warm the Earth's surface. While this is a natural process that is essential to life on Earth, the corruption starts when the concentration of these greenhouse gases in the Earth's atmosphere increases. The result is an increase in the Earth's temperature. Global warming has effects on both animals and humans. Increasing global warming temperatures are expected to affect ecosystems. This will result in extinction for the species who cannot adapt. A study states that nearly 2,000 species are moving toward the poles 3.8 miles per decade. Recent climate change reports have found that approximately 20.30% of species have higher risk of becoming extinct if the average temperature increases 2.7 to 4.5%. More polar bears have been drowning due to the long distances they need to swim to reach ice floes. It is predicted that 2/3 of polar bear population will be extinct by the middle of the century due to melted ice. Some Antarctic penguin populations have shrunk by 33% due to the declines in winter sea ice habitat over the past 20 years. Over time, the ocean will continue to become more acidic from the carbon dioxide being emitted. Due to the acidification, coral reefs and shells of some species will dissolve. When a coral reef is bleached, it will lack nutrients and die. Scientists predict that an increase of 3.6 degrees Fahrenheit would wipe out 97% of the Earth's coral reefs. As Earth's climate changes, there is a high risk of death due to heat waves, intense storms, wildfires, and floods. These higher temperatures are mostly influenced by human behavior. Precipitation also has an effect on human health and safety. If precipitation patterns change and the heat waves continue, there is a higher risk of drought, which can cause forest fires, which leads to firefighters and residents in danger. Natural disasters are becoming more prevalent since heat absorbs more moisture. There are higher chances of extreme rainfall and snowfall. Sea level rise will also facilitate hurricanes and coastal flooding. It is expected by scientists that there will be changes in the spread of disease. Insects are moving to higher latitudes. Warmer oceans also mean harmful bacteria in certain seafoods. Several things to reduce these many effects of climate change. Reducing the amount of fossil fuels is a great way to start putting an end to global warming. Using less energy or non-polluting energy sources is a method used to burn less fossil fuels. In your own home, you can use energy-efficient appliances and compact fluorescent light bulbs. Since plants take up in carbon dioxide and release oxygen, planting trees and other species can help offset global warming. Decomposing waste in landfills emits methane and other greenhouse gases. Reusing or recycling metal, plastic, glass, and paper as much as possible can help minimize them. Cities consume significant amounts of energy when purifying and distributing water, which contributes to greenhouse gas emissions. Saving water reduces the amount of energy used. If you aren't using any of the water in your house, make sure that you turn it off immediately. Make sure to tell your friends about the benefits of recycling and conserving energy. And less energy use means less dependence on fossil fuels that create greenhouse gases and contribute to global warming.